In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Squarespace browser icon, or Favicon. If you want your website to look more polished and professional, updating your Favicon is a small change that can make a big difference. A favicon is the tiny icon that appears in the browser tab next to your site name, and it helps visitors quickly recognize your website when they have multiple tabs open. To get started, log in to your Squarespace site dashboard. Once you're inside your site editor, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps many of the core website options, including the area for updating your browser icon. After the settings panel opens, look for the option labeled Favicon and click on it. This will take you directly to the section where you can manage the small icon that appears in browser tabs. If you haven't uploaded one before, this area may be blank. If you already have a favicon in place, this is also where you can replace it with a new one. Next, click on Add a Favicon. This tells Squarespace that you want to upload a new browser icon for your website. At this stage, it's a good idea to make sure the image you plan to use is simple and easy to recognize, since favicons display at a very small size. Logos, initials, or clean symbols tend to work best. Now click Upload File. This will open your file browser so you can select the image you want to use from your computer. Choose your favicon file and let Squarespace upload it. Once it's uploaded, your new icon should appear in the favicon settings area. Keep in mind that browser icons don't always update instantly everywhere. Sometimes your browser may show the old icon for a little while because of caching. If that happens, try refreshing the page, opening your site in a private browser window, or giving it a bit of time to update fully. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Squarespace favicon. It's a quick update, but it helps strengthen your branding and gives your website a more complete, professional appearance. If you're customizing your site, this is definitely one of those small finishing touches worth taking care of.